All scenes in this video were created using CGI in GTA 6 and are entirely fictional. Do not attempt to recreate any actions shown. This content is for entertainment purposes only.
Hey y'all, JT Speeds here. We got some in real life video going here. Yeah. Man, I'm just driving this car. Can y'all even see? I'm tweaking, cuz I'm about to hit the EV. Y'all gotta let me know down in the comments if y'all wanna see my bike, bro. I'm about to try to flash the light over there. But no, I don't think y'all can see it. Let me pull out this driveway. Do y'all want POV drives? I feel like we should get the POV drives in, Robert. That's another thing to just have, like. But I guess third person is really what I'm looking for. Green light. Oh, we got the cops over there. We're on Big Beaver, y'all. Shout out to Liftoff Mob, y'all. This is where your boy JT Speeds be at. On Big Beaver. Full sending and shit. Get sturdy on them, guys. This is the Cruise 6. This is the new GTA 6, y'all. This is not even real life. If y'all didn't know, the disclaimer will be in the video. This is all AI. So when I'm talking about this, I'm talking about the server that I be on. Hit the like button, y'all. Alright, y'all, we just bent up, swerved over here real quick. Going to grab some 40s.
I see. Are you sweet?
Bent up over here real quick. Rapist van pulled up real quick. This is GTA 6, y'all. So you already know what's really going on in the building, in the house. What's the deal with your mouse? You already know, bro. This is JT Speeds vlog, y'all. Hit the like button, y'all. I need 10 likes. Just how they put 10 on the pump. I need 10 likes. Bro in the car just laid any type of way. 6'7". Let me not start on. Y'all hit the like button. I need 10 likes. 10 likes, y'all. I'm not about to record me going in the gas station because that's awkward. But I'll sit here with my phone outside on the street and talk to my phone, though. It's an ugly angle, too, ain't it? He just mogged me, y'all.
Is Kiki gonna take you up to the Saginaw now?
Let's go. Bro, I love like messing with this nigga. Yeah, if y'all love y'all brothers, hit the like button, man. This guy, man, he's a funny guy. My brother's for sure a funny ass guy. My front camera's so chopped. This gas station kind of a vibe, y'all. Let me not record, so awkward. I forgot my wallet in the car, hopefully. Robert, is my wallet in there, bro? Oh, dang. Thank gosh, man, it's right there, dude. That is a, never mind. It's a Chevy too, though. It's Chevy gang. We can't disrespect them. They're just a little, like somebody might be screaming for help back there. You feel me? 10 likes, y'all. Remember, 10 likes. Geronimo! Welcome to the JT Speeds POV drive, where I duck from the cops. Do you see the cop? I'm not ducking from him. I'm scared to see their reaction to me recording while I'm driving too, though. Come on, dude. I gotta go charge my cart. It's dead. If y'all want me to vlog more like, yo, hey guys, this is JT Speeds, then I need y'all to hit the like button. I want to do more in real life stuff. It just has to be worth it. What do I record? Me driving. Like what do I record? Am I ugly? I don't see the angle. Y'all get what I'm saying? I don't see the angle, so I don't know. I don't know. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, I didn't make an outro for the video, but I did make this really ass thumbnail that I obviously didn't decide to put on the video, but 10 likes, y'all. Come on. If you can tell that I'm trying to get this video to 10 minutes, then you would be correct, because that's exactly what I'm trying to do. So if y'all want more vlogs, you know what I mean, you gotta drop in the comments what you want to see me doing, what you want to see me go do, or I'm gonna have to make something up. Either way it go, I got some ideas. Y'all let me know some ideas in the comments. Hit the 10 likes, man. Lift off on the like button. you want to join the Liftoff mob, hit the subscribe button. It's JT Speeds, and I'm out. Peace.